Welcome back, guys, and thank you again for tuning in to my channel, and thank you for being a subscriber. Hey, I made it back here at this pier, trying something different. So I've gone to Ponce Inlet, but the fishing hasn't been too great over there. A lot of small reds and jacks and a few trouts here, but I haven't caught a snook yet, and that's my goal, my target, catch a snook. So I came over here today, and I had a good day. I didn't catch a snook, but it was a good day. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a Puerto Rican pompano, bro.
Colombian pompano. Ooh, hey. What are you doing with my finger mullet, man?
I know, man.
Come on, man. Don't waste my finger mullet.
Don't give him no more, man.
This is a good fish, man.
That's a Puerto Rican pompano, man.
Colombian pompano. Hey, what are you guys doing? Oh, shit, what are you guys doing?
I don't know what that is.
Come on. Hey, take it easy. Take it easy, man. Get ready to run it. Come around me, Clark. You got it now. Let me move all this.
I hope it's a red.
It is. Where he's pulling.
Yeah.
Around the pier.
Oh no, it's a
Crazy jack, man. We gotta eat. Can I get?
It's a jack.
Oh, you get one too. Reminds me,
Yeah, I got it. Don't worry.
You know what it is? Big one?
It's not huge, but damn, a jack.
Jack. Someone stole my pole. They got this lure from me.
Got it. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in. Thanks, Junior.
It's the first time I dropped a circle net in years. I still knew how to do it.
Hey, I knew it was.
Oh, the hook came out. Circle hook did his job.
That it came off. I don't know if anybody wants it. All that. Huh? I don't know if anybody wants it. Oh, you can throw it back. Yeah, take it though. Hey, wait. You want it?
No. I'm sorry.
I'm like, I don't want you to get mad at me, man. It's a ladyfish. Ladyfish. Going there?
longer?
Yes.
Wait, can I look at your fish?
Yeah, I don't have a net.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Hi,
That's a redfish.
I'll bring it to you. I'll bring it to you. No, no, bring it down. Bring it down. Right there, right there. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up.
Stuck.
No, 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 no. Yeah, something happened.
Tangles up.
Yeah, yeah.
He's trying to see more on it.
Yeah, let me let it go. All right. Yeah, he went through the hole. I think the net is broken.
The net?
Yeah.
How do you want to do it?
Bring it up. 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 Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna break.
You want me to try to bring it in here? You can swing it in through the pole.
Yeah, just bring. Hold on. Oh.
Go.
Yeah, it has a hole. I got it. I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, that thing has a hole.
Yep.
Bobby, don't die on me. Don't die, Bobby.
That's a redfish. This is a red drum. Yeah, redfish.
You got it?
Oh,
Let me
I see
see.
what happened. The fish went through the hole with the
Yeah,
line.
there has a hole in
I
there.
just fished it out.
I got pliers. I got pliers.
Get to the crack. Get to the crack. Free yourself, Bobby. Free.
That's your black drum? That's your black drum?
Hey, if you see a heavier set Spanish guy down there on the sand with a blue shirt, tell him he left at the wrong time.
All right, let me cut it right here. I'm just gonna cut
Are
it.
you sure? Oh, you don't want to get it down there?
Nah, it's gonna be too much trouble.
Eat it. Bake it. Oh, no. Oh, it's his fish.
Yeah, that's like 20, 24. Thanks, Eddie. That's yours? That's yours? Oh, yeah, man.
You're going to eat this one too.
Good job, man. Yeah, 23 and a half. 23 and a half.
We'll take that home, scale it up.
Oh, it says a ladyfish, I think. Hey, it's a ladyfish.
We got ladyfish.
Oh no, it's a blue. It's a blue. Just caught a red. Couldn't get my camera on. Like 22, 21, 22.
What fish did he? What did he?
Huh?
What kind of fish did he?
It's a red drum. Here I am with my buddy Jetty Eddie.
Slow right now, man. It's the bait went down south a little bit, whatever was here. So now all the fish stops. It's only like one fish every hour or 2 hours.
Kind of slow, so that's what we came
No
here.
for Jose. Jose got two big reds, keepers.
Two keepers, yeah. But anyway, hey, you don't know what you're gonna catch unless you try. So
That's right.
and that's what we're here.
And now we're leaving because it's a storm coming.
Yeah, it looks really bad.